What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you something that is going to change the way you trade Forex and crypto forever. I'm talking about SignalPeak, one of the most powerful all-in-one signal platforms I've ever seen. Let me show you exactly why traders everywhere are switching to this. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. SignalPeak is a premium platform that gives you access to over 100 plus high quality trading signal channels, all in one place. Instead of joining random Telegram groups and hoping for the best, SignalPeak, it tracks everything for you, giving you clean, organized, real-time signals for crypto and Forex. And here's why I think SignalPeak stands out. It's got massive signal library, it's got over 100 plus channels combined into one interface. Crypto plus Forex plus futures plus scalping signals, whatever style you trade. There's something here, real-time alerts, no delays. You get the info when you need it. It's beginner friendly. You don't need to be a pro trader to follow the signals. There's no guessing, clear entries. Take profits, stop losses, everything is laid out simply for you. SignalPeak integrates directly with Telegram. That means you get instant push notifications, fast signals, and an easy way to track everything. You can be on the go at work, anywhere, and you can basically never miss a trade opportunity. What I personally love is that SignalPeak gives you access to multiple premium channels for the price of just one normal subscription. You're basically getting dozens of paid groups without paying for each individually. It's insane value. And getting started is quite simple. You just need to visit the website, choose your plan, join the Telegram, start receiving signals instantly. You can literally be set up in 2 minutes.
Our sponsor today is Lead Sniper, and they will help you find quality links even when you think you're in the darkest of places and you can't find any clients. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time, and they have worked with thousands of marketers, including myself. And the fact that they want to sponsor us today makes me very happy. If you need targeted data that actually converts, then Lead Sniper is for you. They have a Google Map scraper, they have a Google search scraper, and they have a yellow page scraper, with more tools coming out soon. So go ahead, get in the description, click the links that takes you over to Lead Sniper. Back to the video.
Now, when you join the Telegram, you'll obviously get access to a lot of these. So you just click join the channels and you can see here how many there are actually for you to choose from. You can just keep scrolling and scrolling, Fortune AI, Coin Coach, scroll down further. You got Rocket, Glassnode Daily, that is just one of them, the crypto channels too. Again, so many more to choose from. There's about 55 here for you to click from. There's just so many channels. And obviously, if you're more into Forex like myself, there are so many more channels for you. Here there are 86 channels for you to choose from, and all you need to do is just have a look through them, select your favorite ones, see which ones have the best success rate and choose them. So if I'm just going to go ahead and choose one, I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let's take a look at Wolf Forex signals. So you can see here that we are now on the Wolf Forex signals, and as we scroll up you can see profit gains here, gold running on 110 pips plus profit. There's just so many signals that they actually give out, right? And if we scroll up a little bit more, you can see the actual charts that they give, and you can just see their success here. They enter here, they're going up, they enter here, they're going up. They've just called this the whole way. And this is just something that you can so easily tap into. And obviously you can have a bit more of an understanding, here, buy now, CAD JPY. They give you the amount to buy in, they tell you where to put your stop loss, and they tell you where to put your take profit. And it's literally that simple. They even share the chart analysis if it's something you wanted to look into. But even if you want to look at blind signals, you can just see from the chart that these guys are winners, and it is so there for you to actually make some profits for yourself. It's just so easy. If you're serious about leveling up your trading and you want access to the same quality of signals the pros use, check out SignalPeak. It's one of the most powerful and efficient trading signal platforms out there right now. Drop a like, subscribe for more, and comment below if you want me to review other trading tools.